Let's get to some trader talk now with Brian Stutland. He is the founder of Equity Armor Investments. Brian, we do see these pop-up rallies here and there, but overall, is the trend for the stock market to go lower from here?
Well, it certainly seems like we broke some critical levels on the S&P 500. Below 4,100 was an interesting level that seems like could take the market another 10 or 15% lower. And we are seeing these volatile swings, Angie. You know, on Monday, basically the market jumped back up, but that's not unusual to see 100-point swings in the S&P 500, which is a lot of volatility and makes it very difficult to be a long-term investor for somebody.
Are there any stocks that you would pick up at these lower levels?
Yeah, I mean, Angie, when you look at it, we look at Target, you look at Walmart, Cisco, which we own for clients. Well, these stocks, when they've missed, and these are big quality names with great balance sheets, when they've missed their earnings number, the stocks have really been punished hard. I think if you're a long-term investor, that's actually giving you some opportunity to pick up some good quality names that I think when valuations finally get back down in line, given the interest rate environment that we're in, some of these names are going to look really attractive. But I think you have to wait for those earnings to come out and see the sell-off before getting in, because this really is a trader's market. You have to be nimble. You know, we just talked about all the volatility in the market. When we get rips to the upside, I'd be trimming some positions. And when I see some earnings numbers that get hit really extra hard to the downside, those are names I'm looking to add. We added to Cisco after their earnings, and the stock was beaten down, 15% after earnings. So those are kind of names that I'm looking for, but I've got to wait to see the earnings outlook on that. We'll get more clarity coming up in June, July. But for now, be a trader.
Great trader talk. Thank you so much, Brian.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.